Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you have Copilot installed and are seeing problems on your PC since then, there is a lot of reports of different types of problems. Some with third-party software that add features like special wallpapers, change in the start menu. But also, it is interesting to note that a lot of people that have Copilot and have AMD machines are reporting tons of problems, and that it seems to actually happen really because of Copilot interacting and creating issues with some AMD drivers. So one of the reports said, if you don't have Copilot, maybe it's actually a good thing because it's making some computers crash. So this is interesting. You think that Copilot might actually be tested more. We see it all the time. There's insider rings, and for some reason, Microsoft doesn't use them very often for a lot of new features. There's a lot of things that never appear in the insider rings where they could be really, really tested, and they just get pushed out, and then there's problems with them. So if you have Copilot and have been having issues, I'd like to hear from you. If Copilot is installed, if you have install moment 4, and something's different, not right, you got crashes, freezes, or anything, just comment below. I'd be curious to see if it's just a few machines or if there's really a lot of people having issues with the moment 4, and especially because it seems to be really centered on the fact that the machines have Copilot installed. And so if it's the case, just check it out. For the rest, there doesn't seem to be any other issues right now. And, for the most part, for those that are not moment 4, I see it all the time. Windows 11 is very, very stable. If you have issues, if you don't have moment 4 and you've had problems and blue screens and freezes, your computer has something wrong, because Windows 11 is not really crashing or having any issues right now. It's very, very stable. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.